We're gonna drive it on 4S and we're gonna hit the big ramp at the park.
And we got it here to show you.
All right, let's do it.
See how this buggy works.
Heck yeah. Pretty fast for 4S. Nice. These tires aren't the best for the grass, but I wasn't 100% sure I was running this today. Grass slows it down for sure on 4S. And it's all muddy. Oh my. Doesn't have the torque to backflip, so we're just gonna get a few floaters. Love me the Talions. All right, we're gonna move the ramp. We'll do one more. Nice. What? You want to try it? Here, try it. Whoa, let go! No! Stop! Brake, brake, brake! Brake, brake, brake! Ooh, ouch! All right, here, you go pick it up for me. My turn. This doesn't have enough wheel inertia or guts on 4S to actually backflip. Okay, I guess I was wrong. It did backflip. That smacks really loud. It hits hard. Pretty much. Pretty much, yes. All right, we'll try to do one more big one. All right, here we go. Ha ha! That was awesome. Talion, 4S, off some big ramps. A lot of fun. Catch you guys next time.